All elected representative of municipal councils, village panchayat, they are responsible to do this type of system for their people. If people start moving out of their houses and they congest the supermarkets and the shops, they will immediately pass on this virus. Keeping distance is very important. Giving supplies in hot sun is also very important. So these are some tips which we have taken from looking at all the things which are being shared from Italy, from Spain, from US, from UK. So those people who are on this and WHO guidelines and Ministry of Health New Delhi guidelines we are following, and to see that everybody is safe and all necessary arrangements should be done by the state government, and more interest should be taken by the panchayat members and municipal corporators to see that people get the essentials.
Only vegetable are being served.
Yesterday we gave eggs. Today we are giving vegetables. Tomorrow we will give grocery. Grocery will reach people's houses. Grocery is important to be given. A lot of 500, a lot of 1000 rupees, where people can afford. Do not overcharge. Here we are selling vegetables at a very, very reasonable price. This is come directly from Belgaum. So people are happy to come out, stand in a line with a distance and buy their vegetables and go. This is what is required to be done in every village of Goa, especially in the North Goa coastal belt and South Goa coastal belt, where there are a lot of influx of migrants who are staying here. Some people who have come from outside the states and still are staying here. Quarantine is the only measure for those people who have come from outside the state.